So guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We are on our way to Bukatan, and imimit natin yung mga barangay officials ng Bukatan ngayon because typhoon season na naman, rainy season na naman. So kailangan nating tulungan yung mga barangay officials in that community para makapag-prepare sila sa typhoon season and rainy season. So basically, this will be a dialogue, and Barangay Bukatan is my 5th barangay. Wow! So this is a coastal barangay na susceptible sa landslide, storm surge, and strong wind, and also flooding rain. So this is a very vulnerable fishing village sa coastal barangay ng Santo Domingo, and I'll be there with Cap Nonoy Serrano. So, bale, this is my first time vlogging sa aking duties, meeting duties. So mamaya, so 3 PM yung schedule ko sa Barangay Bukatan, and next I'll have a meeting with Barangay Santo Domingo and Barangay Del Rosario. So kaninang umaga galing po ako sa Barangay Santa Misericordia. Barangay Santa Misericordia is a barangay located sa paanan ng Mayon Volcano. So medyo sila at risk sila sa lahar, and yun nga, isa volcanic materials na pwedeng dalhin ng ulan pababa mula sa Mayon Volcano. So mamaya do-document ko lang for fun only, and this is also to raise awareness din sa mga kababayan natin, and I hope this video reach to you, makarating ito sa inyo, and mapulutan ng aral. So peace.